Greetings viewers, welcome back to coffeechilltv. Welcome to Kaen and the Hotel Khon Ruenrom, or Ruenrom, as I heard it pronounced by some of the locals before. Let's go inside and check it out. Come along with me on coffeechilltv.
Please subscribe to Coffee Chill.
Lovely. Thank you very much. Beautiful. So what about the room? Initial impressions? It's charming, it's quaint. It's a little bit old school with the decorations. I mean, I'm always liking some Kaen chairs. How about you? We have the Prime Minister of Thailand at the time of filming this video, Prayut Chan-o-cha, on the TV. I don't speak Thai, but maybe he's talking about COVID, because that's kind of the big thing, isn't it? How nice is that 1970s style wallpaper? Excuse the air conditioner. It's working hard. It's working hard. Nice bed. Plenty of space on the dance floor. Yeah, initial impressions? Old school, but I'm liking it. So I'm going through the channels and Fox Sport News Australia. I tell you what, pretty happy about that. CNA in English. Deutsch News in English, France 24 in English, and plenty of live sport, snooker, billiards, soccer, golf on show as well, with True Sports live as well. Lots of movie channels too. You know, there would be close to, I reckon there's about 50 channels, actually maybe 70 across a couple of different connectors on this TV. So lots of movies in English, multiple news services in English and in French and in German and in Chinese, English, and of course Thai. So certainly can't complain about the TV service, and pretty good reception on the TV too. What about the balcony? The obligatory balcony check. Excuse the air conditioner as I walk outside and check out the balcony. And what about the bathroom? Some people say the most important room when you check into a hotel is the bathroom. I'm not sure about that. The jury is out. Certainly it's a factor. Let's go inside and check out the bathroom at the Hotel Ruenrom, Khon, Isaan, northeastern Thailand, Southeast Asia, planet Earth. compact, honest. It's an honest bathroom. For someone of my height, excuse the echo, it's not the tallest kind of position there for the shower, but you know what, it's one you can move around and get into those nooks and crannies, those difficult to reach areas. I think that's important. Cleanliness is next to godliness. And well, if we're talking about hygiene, the bum gun. I don't know about you, but I'm a bit of a fan of the bum gun. And you've got a nice little bum gun there. This throne is quite low to the ground. So the toilet's low to the ground, and so is the shower, but that's fine. We'll soldier on with that. I'm liking the initial impressions I'm getting from this room. Quaint, colonial, kind of a little bit 70s chic. I've only just checked in and I'm unloading my apparel and electronic devices and toiletries. The chair's nice and comfortable. That's good bench space for digital nomads like yours truly. Digital nomad, is that a little bit pretentious, that term? I don't know. In the comments below, you might want to tell me, what do you think about the term digital nomad? Good space. Plenty of space for your favourite Hawaiian shirt for the gentlemen and your cocktail dress for the ladies. Extra pillow. I like that. I like an extra pillow. What about security? You've got 3 layers. You've got the key card, which locks the door behind you. You got the old latch, modern latch, and good old school. I like that. Good old school. So 3 layers of security. We like that. You don't want any. You don't want the boogeyman coming in at night, do you? Bar fridge, but that's all I need, and some complimentary nice cold water in there. I will avail myself of that later. So that's check-in, folks. We'll go for a bit of a walk outside just to give you a bit of a look of the grounds and surrounds of this this funky little old school 3-star hotel. In the Central Business District, CBD, downtown Khon. Let's continue with the vlog. So it's ample car parking and a little bit of a piazza here. Maybe not as much as in its glory days pre-COVID-19, but can't complain about the car parking and great service. On check-in, one of the ladies, her English is excellent. So yeah, good check-in experience. So the main road is just here, and you know, it's quite convenient to the Ruenrom. Now correct me if I'm wrong, I think that's the train station down that way, which is great. Nice and convenient. Just came from there. And I've been told that this way will take me towards the Pullman Hotel and the Hotel Cossa. So let's head that way because we're going to go and have a few sherbets. And yeah, let's wrap up this video log, this vlog from the Hotel Ruenrom. Just looks like another Farang who's just checked in as well. I hope you enjoyed the video, folks. Please come back again to Coffee Chill TV. And wherever you are in the world today, please enjoy the balance of your day. Cheers.